In this video, I will show you how to convert a Canva website into a Shopify page step by step. First, open Canva and create your website design. Choose a website or landing page template, or start from a blank page. Design your page using Canva tools like text, images, buttons, and animations. Make sure everything looks correct on desktop and mobile view. When your design is ready, click the Share button on the top right. From the options, select Publish Website. Choose a style, then Publish. Canva will give you a live public link. Copy this link and keep it ready. Now, open a new tab and go to your Shopify admin panel. From the left menu, open the Shopify App Store. Search for the app called Canvafy. Install the app and allow the required permissions. Once installed, open Canvafy from your apps list. Inside Canvafy, click on Import New Page. You will see a field where you can paste a URL. Paste the Canva website link you copied earlier. Confirm and let the app load your design. After the import is complete, you will see preview options. At this stage, you can customize how the page appears in Shopify. You can hide the Shopify header and footer if you want the Canva design to look clean and standalone. Adjust page settings if needed. When everything looks good, save and publish the page. This is how you turn a Canva website into a Shopify page easily. Thanks for watching.